Speak up.
It tastes like it wasn't cooked in old oil. It's cooked. It tastes like it was cooked in freshly made oil.
Look, this place is different. I'm gonna tell you why they're different already. Tell you why they're different.
Seafood soup, boated soup. During the year, we have different set of soup.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom, what it is, people, it's your boy Lando. I'm the man, though. I'm back with another one. We at the Jamaica House. I've been seeing it for a while. It's fairly new, about a year, been here for a year. I'm about to go check them out, see what they got for me. You know, I'm only seafood, that's all I eat. Not even every seafood, just fish. So, you know, with a name like that, you better come. You better come. And I got the youngins with me today. Matter of fact, I might let her be my cameraman. Camera late. Come back a million times. She don't know where I'm going. All right, people that say I'm gonna come back a million times. What do you think? The food good or not? Okay. So I want the fish. What was it? How do you sell it?
It's a snapper, but we have brown stew fish if you want.
The brown stew fish, yeah.
Brown stew?
What comes in with that fish?
Steamed veg and
Crackers.
rice. No man, the steam come with crackers and all the 9 yards.
All right, give me the steam then.
You gonna wait on it?
Yes, I'm gonna wait.
Go to the chef.
People, they are open 24 hours. So if you're hungry, you leaving the club or wherever you come from late night, come here.
I can't see the menu. I'm blind.
What?
Remember? I don't have my glasses. I can't see the menu.
Yeah, you're not blind. Speak life.
1 hour. I can't cut up event.
Okay, hold on.
Is a girl?
Yeah, I don't know what she got. You gotta stop wearing. They keep thinking you're a boy. Stop wearing that hat. What do you say now?
The kids, they're nice, man. They're nice. She said, oh,
That's fine. I'm already here. I think I'm just gonna go ahead.
Yeah, you can come back, man.
So, for them, what do you want, Araya? Come here.
We have barbecue, we have...
What do you want? You want shrimp? All right, let me just get some shrimp. She don't want no rice, no nothing.
Oh, how many?
What? Could I have shrimp, rice, and
We know you want no food, huh?
no, it's only one more thing.
And what?
I buy them 10 shrimp.
Shrimp, rice, and breadfruit. I don't think they sell it like that.
Yeah, we sell the shrimp meal for $18.40. You want oxtail gravy?
Yes, please.
Alright. So that's it. So 10 shrimp, separate them, and it's one side of rice, correct?
Yeah. And you put in the fish?
I put in the fish already.
Okay. Something to drink?
Oh, you want breadfruit?
Never mind.
Never mind.
You want breadfruit?
Fruit, just tell me if you want breadfruit.
All right, no breadfruit. People, we are here at the Jamaica House. We're here with
Jennifer.
Jennifer been, I just ordered a fish, steamed fish. Jennifer said the fish is ready. We're gonna determine if this fish is ready. Now, how long you guys been open? 'Cause I've been driving past.
It's a year now been open.
1 year?
1 year, yeah. We have a super chain store in Miami. We have our a big store, main store in Miami.
Oh, so there's another one in Miami.
Yeah, the main store.
Okay. What's your hours? Cause you
And
said something to me, but I want you to tell the people.
We are 24 hours a day.
24 hours.
Yes.
All right, 24 hours. People say if you coming from the club, you coming from church, wherever you coming from, this is the place to come.
Right,
We're on
right.
Broward Boulevard. I'll drop the address somewhere down here. So make sure you come check them out. I'm telling you, the food's good.
Authentic Jamaican food.
Authentic.
Very authentic.
All right, with a name like Jamaica House, the food gotta be good.
Of course.
That's a heavy name.
Definitely. You check us out.
It's a heavy name, people.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna see. All right.
Definitely. Our steamed fish off the chain, our oxtail off the chain. You name it. We have the best pepper shrimp.
Right.
You name it, we got it.
Okay. You heard her. All right, thank you. Thank you, Jennifer.
Prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom.
We got some food. What you got there, Araya? Shrimp.
I don't know what your fish is.
These are all yours. My fish. It's gonna take a while. Okay. Broth other sides. Okay. Mic wasn't working. Okay. I see you cleaned this up. How was your shrimp?
It was very good. Like, I rated it a 10 out of 10, honestly.
10 out of 10?
Because it tastes like it was not cooked in old oil. It tastes like it wasn't.
Speak up.
Unlike some food, some people do cook it in old oil, which makes it taste bad.
Okay. Y'all heard it here first. Or many one people. How's your food, alright?
A mini.
How's your food?
Oh, it's delightful.
Okay.
And it's good.
Okay.
Great.
Shalom Shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich type.
People, we're here. We're back with Jennifer because you know the fish that I order is cooked to order. So, Miss Jennifer, I see a lot of people ordering soup. Well, you guys specialize in soup?
Yeah, we specialize in birthday soups. Birthday soups on a Friday.
Cook back to
Oh, right here?
Yeah,
On
you
a
good.
Friday, we have 2 soups. Seafood soup, boated soup. During the year, we have different set of soup. Authentic chicken soup. So, you know, we got it, man. We got it. And what makes us so special, we are the owners.
24 hours.
24 hours, all day long.
That's beautiful.
It's special.
What kind of, alright, I see the red peas. I see the boss over there eating red peas.
Red peas, we do it with chicken and chicken food, sometimes chicken and chicken.
Okay, so you switch it up.
And with beef soup, real Jamaican style beef soup.
Okay, nice. Beef soup. So what's your big, what's the most popular this year?
Of course, the jerk chicken number 1.
Number 1.
Stale number 1.
Oh.
Our shrimp is off the chain, number 1. We conk with the shrimp, curry shrimp.
So
You
conk,
name it, man.
like the young
It's a
lady
big
said.
seller. Steamed fish is a big seller too.
Yeah?
Yeah, off the chain.
Conk is cooked to order.
Cooked to order.
Alright, I'm gonna test out the conk when I come back next time. You know I love conk, you know I love.
Curry shrimp.
Yeah? Alright. I appreciate you.
No problem.
Y'all really started.
Take out Jamaica House anytime. Special, we are 24 hours. Catch us anytime on the house. Alright? Check us out.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you. Alright, people. Fish is ready. Look, this place is different. I'm gonna tell you why they're different already. Tell you why they're different. Look at this. Oh yeah. That's it. Alright, come on. I got my pretty niece as camera ready. Come on, alright. Alright, I'm gonna open this. This is different off top. This is different as it is. This is different. Look at that. Yo, brother. Don't mind breathe over my food. You man breathe over my food. What's wrong? This is how they serving it. Hold on. Hold this Orion. We gotta go through it. Hold it like this. The same name, Primetime Lando. Okay. Corn. Carrot. Yep. Okra. Yeah. Yeah. We're about to go in. We're about to go in, y'all.
You're not eating right here?
I'm eating right here. People. Listen, you good. People. All I ate was a carrot. Tasty. Flavor. Seasoning was good. and bacon. So we working. They keep begging. Oh, that's pumpkin right there. This is good. You got a fork? You can only taste it, man. The man ate his food. Now he want to eat my food.
You had some of my food.
I taste your rice. That's it. Am I being mean?
And at breakfast, you also taste something.
Oh yeah, it's all right.
Yeah.
All right, this is great.
Yeah, man. I'm not enjoying it.
You know it. Food good.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Wait, let me tell you the food. Come there with them 1 year now.
Yeah.
I said, but that done us in 9 years. Then I
Remember?
left this and coming. So 1 year now, me there with them. So say from the open start.
Fish bud.
Yeah, man.
Fish bud.
Food. Like,
Alright, what you want, man? You ain't eating all my food. Go ahead, taste it. Go ahead.
And a piece of Is there bone in the fish?
Every fish have bone. If fish don't have bone, it's not fish.
I don't know why this is taking
You don't even eat stuff like this.
I do.
In there, so be careful. I ain't gonna lie to you. The flavor, I've been distracted. You see that? I can't even explain my flavor to you because I got distractions. I ain't bringing them no more. The flavor in this fish is so, oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is very good.
It's beautiful. It's good. Tasty. And then like touch of spice. See, I love touch of spice in my food. It's not too spicy.
Yeah.
It's just right. Then they got the corn, the pumpkin. I'm definitely gonna come here again. Food good.
You've been here before?
Yeah.
Once a week.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to post every day from now.
This food is good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Not even because I'm sitting here, because it was nasty. I'll tell y'all. Y'all remember I told you about the mashed potato? Not you, I'm talking to my people.
You can put on this stuff.
Oh, man.
All right, have a good one.
Leave it. Leave it alone. Cause that's my.
It's done.
That's for the voice.
For the what?
The mic.
Yeah, it's done.
This food is good. This food is good.
Why do you have your phone on camera on? I'm just gonna pretend vlogging.
I should have had white rice. This gravy over some white rice. Oh my goodness.
Why do you want to
Rice can't go on to. Watch that. You gotta mix it like that. The gravy on the rice. Like that. But you ain't even gotta what you do with my phone? You don't even have to. You don't have to eat rice with this. Because it's loaded with everything. Really.
There's protein in there. Lots and lots of
I'm gonna let you be the judge. Look at my plate. As my nephew just said, down to skeleton. Down to skeleton. It definitely was worth the wait. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate them, Lando? Good question, Lando. I would rate them Hey, back up from my camera. I can't bring y'all on no mission no more. Not this type of mission. All right. Scale of 1 to 10. Gotta leave room. 8.8. Why do you say 8.8, Lando? I didn't have my water crackers. It's that much points for me. The flavor was there.
I think it's a 10.
It would have been probably a 10. The flavor was there. Everything was there.
What's the downside?
But we wanted the water crackers. Spice was there, but we wanted the water crackers. So
that gives it a 9.5.
it's definitely a passing people.
So it's a 9.5.
Somebody just all up in number go. It's definitely a passing. 8.8. If the water crackers was in, I think they forgot actually. The water crackers was in there. Probably a 9.8. We're not getting no 10 no. We're not really get 10. You know the food good if I give a 8.8. I don't go past 7.8. Definitely worth come check it out. Come check them out. Drop the address right here. Food is good. Food is good. But there's room. Add my crackers. The food was great. Food was good. Chef, big up yourself. Food was good. All right. See it there. A good one.
Only Jamaica House.
Jamaica House. All right, that's enough. Thanks again for the food. Look more. All right, people, that is it. As you can see, we came in daytime. It was late. It was like 5:30. Food was good, man. Shout out to them. The food was good. I ain't gonna lie. Food was good. I was just mad I ain't get my my crackers. The lady did say hey, mind you break my door. Y'all got a lot going on. Yeah, y'all got a lot. See, I got these kids with me. But lady did say she forgot to put in crackers. So the steamed fish definitely come with crackers in it. She said she forgot. It might have been because I kept asking so much questions. I distracted them. I might have distracted them, but it's all good. Big up Jamaica House. Live up to the name. It's a good look. Y'all come check them out, man. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. They said that all the other stuff good, but you know, I only eat seafood. So come check them out. Jamaica House. People, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and like again, and comment. All of that good stuff. It's your boy Lando, I'm out.